Nikea here with another installation in my Color Crush Rainbow Makeup series. So this look is going a little bit out of the rainbow and it's going to be an all brown look, brown down, okay? But before we get into this look, I want you to go ahead, below this video there's this red button. If you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and click it and join the club. Quick, easy, and it's free. And of course it's fun. You get to see this beautiful face every day and go on this journey of life with me. So go ahead and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Alright, let's go ahead and get into this look. As you all know, because you've been following me so frequently and following these videos, you already know that I've started with the base already done. So my foundation, my brows, my concealer is already done. I wore that to work today and I did have to, get a little shininess off, but I embrace the shine because I be glowing with my highlight anyway, so why not? So that's already done, so I can just go ahead and get started with this look. Alright, so I always get started with my transition color first, and it's going to be from the It's My Ray Ray palette from BH Cosmetics. I'm obsessed with this thing. Like, they should pay me for as much as I use this in my videos and in real life. So I'm going in with Spice with this blending brush from Real Techniques. My transition color is done, and I just do that to add some warmth and depth to my eyes, because even though this look is going to be brown, I don't want it to just be like flat. I want it to be multi-dimensional. Okay, so I'm gonna start with my crease color. It's My Ray Ray does have some browns, but I'm gonna vibe out with my custom palette from Costal Scent. So I'm going to start with my, actually above the crease color, if I can get it out, and it is called Chocolatier. So it's brown, but it does have some like red tones in there. I'm going to get that on my brush, and I'm just going to go above the crease. That in there, and then I'm going to go into my crease. Oh, my brush tried to drop out of my hand. I'm going to go into my crease with a darker brown, and this is called Deep Brown. This is not from Costal Scent, but I do put it in my palette. I got this at a makeup show because I just needed a dark matte brown. Not at a makeup show, the makeup show. A few years ago. Like this brush right here, it's like a blending brush, but it's more packed, so I can really focus it in my crease and get it where I want it to go. And you could also use Midnight. You could also use Midnight from It's My Ray Ray. That's very similar to the color that I'm using. Right into my crease and a little bit on the outer portion of my lid. So that's why I like to use this brush, because I can really focus the shadow where I want it to go. On my lid, I'm going to be using a shimmery color, not high shimmer, but this is also from Costal Scent. It's called Bokeh Mocha. I'm going to apply that with this shadow brush from It's My Ray Ray and put that right on my lid. Didn't know there were so many browns, huh? Alright, and now for my tear duct, I'm going to use this color. It's called Chai Spice. Taking my small detail brush, it's a Real Techniques brush, and I'm going to apply that to the inner portion of my eye and sweep that a little bit onto my lid. Just for a little pop of shimmer when the light hits you just right. I'm gonna use this brush from It's My Ray Ray, and I'm gonna use those matte brown colors that I used on my lid. So I'm gonna go back into Spice, that deep brown, as well as Chocolatier, and put that on my bottom lash line. I'm probably not gonna use the deep brown. I'm just gonna use Spice and Chocolatier. So starting with Spice, Chocolatier, and I am going to use that deep brown, but just on the outer portion of my lower lash line. Alright, I'm going to use my kohl liner from e.l.f. and just line my waterline. And I'm going to go ahead and do mascara. I'm not going to do lashes today. And this is Bodybuilding Mascara from Black Radiance. I just went back and added a little bit of Spice up there above my eye. And I'm going to take a clean blending brush and just blend everything out. So It's My Ray Ray has this one. I think it's like a dual shadow, not shadow, but blush and highlighter brush. But I'm using it to blend today. Alrighty. Now onto the highlight. And yes, I have a brown highlighter. Yes, I have a brown highlighter. And it's from It's My Ray Ray. It's called French Toast. I know I used this in a video before and I called it Brownie Bite, but Brownie Bite is the contour shade. So I'm going to use French Toast to highlight. I'm going to use a brown blush, and this is called Hazelnut Mousse. So it's a shimmery brush. It could be used as a highlighter as well. Alright, so my blush is going to be brown as well. I'm going to use Glazed Ginger from Coastal Scents. Alright, now on to the last thing. It's the lips. And I'm going to be using Hennyways from Ellarie and Colourpop. This is an ultra matte lip. So I did watch her video for this lip and for all the lips in her collection. So it's an ultra matte lip gloss, but this thing dries down, hunty, okay? So before I started this video, I took my EOS ball and I just put it on my lips, and I'm not gonna wipe anything off because otherwise it's gonna be cracking and it's just not gonna be cute. But if you apply it correctly, you're gonna be cute. So this is the lip gloss. So because I have that lip balm underneath, my lips are moisturized. Now this is going to dry down and be a little more matte, but my lips are going to be moisturized. It's going to be comfortable to wear. But if I hadn't put that on, it would not have been comfortable at all. Forgot one thing, y'all. Gotta get some contour. Just a little bit. So It's My Ray Ray has Brownie Bite. So I'm just going to give a slight contour tease. But there you have it. This is my brown down makeup look. So everything that I use is brown except for my mascara. Even my eyebrows are brown. So alright beauties, that's my brown down. My brown down makeup look. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy it, don't forget to rate this video by giving it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe. You can go ahead and click on my picture right here, take you to my channel so that you can subscribe, and click on these 2 videos on the side so you keep on watching and enjoy the loveliness of Nikea JaLynn. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll be sure to see you in the next one, beauties. Bye.